Beginning with cruising level, when you reach this point in your flight, ensure you set the regional QNH. Establish your speed and engine power for cruising. It's crucial to monitor essential instruments and systems for a safe and accurate flight. Check the alignment of the gyroscopic heading indicator with the magnetic compass. This stage is also an opportune time for a freighter check en route. A practical tip is to immediately check the true airspeed, or TS, on reaching the cruising level. This can be done quickly using a flight computer by approximation or by setting the temperature TAS scale. If the TS obtained is vastly different from what's expected, check the engine power setting and the aircraft configuration. You can also establish an exact ground speed by fixing two ground points approximately 20 to 30 nautical miles apart, helping you determine if you're on the right track. If the actual ground speed differs greatly from the planned speed, it means you'll need to revise your estimated time of arrival, or ETA. Moving on to map reading in flight, effective map reading depends on knowing your direction, distance, and ground speed. Selecting and identifying landmarks and reference points is key. Reference points that are easily identifiable and within your visual range are most suitable. The visibility of a particular reference point depends on factors such as flight visibility, the size of the point, its relationship to other ground features, the angle of observation, the ground plane it lies in if flying at a high altitude, and the altitude and side view of the point if flying at a low altitude. Choosing unique reference points in the area helps avoid confusion. A long and flat reference point, like a railway line, canal, or road, can assist in maintaining the correct track. So to sum up, when navigating under VFR, remember to set the regional QNH at cruising level, check TAS, and revise ETA if necessary. For map reading, select easily identifiable reference points and use them to maintain your track. These tips should help improve your VFR navigation skills, ensuring a safer and more efficient flight.